Lizakuvulwa ngomso eliziko nalizagonyela intsholongwane eCOVID-19 Kulindeleke ukuba ligonye abantu abangamawaka amane ngemini.
It will be a crucial site for the next 6 months because it is an important part of when we need big volumes of people to be able to come through that are mobile, that can get there, while it takes pressure off all other sites where we are continuing to vaccinate all the way into the smallest town across this entire province.
Akukho okokuqala iCape Town Convention Centre isetyenziswa kwidabi leCOVID-19 yayisetyenziswa nakumsinga wokuqala kwayizigulane ezingaphaya kwe-1,500 zaye zafumana unyango apha.
We have 2 other mega sites outside of the Western Cape that are moving now at scale. So we've learnt a lot in the process, and hopefully we can bring that experience into this partnership. The other point to make is the data coming out about what we've seen is that vaccines work. There is nothing more important. There should be no debate at all. These things work. We have to get vaccinated.
Eliziko lizokwamkela abo bane-medical aid kwakunye nabangenazo.
This vaccine site now needs to be the biggest or the highest number of vaccines achieved at this specific mega site on the continent. So we've got a nice hairy goal we've got to go for, and already the target is 750,000 people to come through it, but let's see if we can even push that goal.
Ngabasebenzi abayi-250 abaza kutyala kweli ziko, abasebenzi baza kusebenza de kube nguDisemba.